This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sarah Rakob. Penthouse, corner unit with ocean views. Less than a quarter mile away from the world-famous Ron John's surf shop and less than a mile to the Cocoa Beach Pier. Stunning views from inside of the unit and on the balcony. Make this fully furnished, top-floor unit your own and use it as a winter retreat, seasonal rental or a mix of both. This 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom unit, with no carpet, is well positioned in the heart of Cocoa Beach. Ample walkability to nearby dining, entertainment and more. The 5th-floor balcony provides crystal clear views of the rocket launches, and amenities include a swimming pool, tennis court, basketball area and a clubhouse. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.